Compact SUVs that are more economical and efficient than the normal Tucson include the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, the Tucson PHEV plug-in hybrid from 2025. The non-hybrid Tucson's competitive safety with tech features, quiet ride, and revised external appearance are all shared by these versions. All-wheel drive and electric assistance make the hybrid and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV, types more agile. While the plug-in electric vehicle, PHEV, has 261 horsepower, the hybrid comes in at 231 horsepower, which is an increase of 44 and 74 horsepower, respectively. The fuel efficiency of both variants is noticeably higher. The continuously variable automatic gearboxes found in many hybrid rivals cause drones, which are eliminated by the classic 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson's improved features and redesigned look are sure to cause a stir in the market for small SUVs. The plug-in hybrid and hybrid versions will be available late this summer, after the gas models which go on sale in June. An improved driving experience is promised by the upgraded model both within and externally. With its upgraded features, which include improved exterior and interior design, a choice of powertrains, and cutting-edge safety technology, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is expected to cause a stir in the compact SUV market. Wider bumpers, more efficient lighting, and a new grille design are among the updates for the Tucson. New wheel styles and ornamental skid plates are also included. Interior elements include tactile buttons for music and HVAC controls. Included are the center console with a cubby and a wireless charging pad, as well as the dashboard parcel shelf. The combined horsepower rating of the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants is 231 and 268 respectively, thanks to a somewhat more potent electric motor. There are now 2 new driving modes available: a green zone option for fully electric driving, and the user-configurable My Drive and Baby modes. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson has an updated exterior that improves both its usability and aesthetic appeal. Redesigned front and back bumpers go well with the new, more aggressive-looking grille on the front fascia. There has been a subtle change in the parametric estimation dual hidden lights. Instead of 10 larger lighting elements, there are now 8. Notable exterior improvements also consist of a 75 mm wider rear wiper blade for better visibility, new extended roof side rails akin to bridges on the XRT variants designed for outdoor use, modernized alloy wheels in 17 and 19-inch sizes, badging made of anodized aluminum for a high-end look, upper trims with dark chrome exterior embellishments. The 2025 Tucson is now more practical and has a more planted, substantial appearance thanks to these improvements. The color possibilities are anticipated to be comparable to that of the 2024 model, providing a variety of alternatives to accommodate various tastes. To improve usability, the middle stack has been replaced with physical buttons as well as knobs in place of touch-sensitive controls. Enormous storage, USB-C data and charging ports, an integrated memory system, a Bose premium audio system, Wi-Fi hotspot, and smartphone app compatibility for Hyundai digital keys are some other noteworthy interior enhancements. With the exception of the Endline model, which has cloth upholstery on the seats and dashpad, the interiors of the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants are identical to those of the gasoline vehicle. A roomy cabin with 41.3 inches of legroom and a load capacity measuring 38.7 cubic feet is featured in the 2025 Tucson. New air vents that stretch the width of the fascia for a cleaner, more upscale appearance, and optional 12.3-inch screens for HVAC and volume tuning control give the dashboard a more modern style. Upgraded with a wireless charger and cup holders akin to the Hyundai Ioniq 5, the center console, door cards, and steering wheel have all been upgraded. The XRT versions have XRT embossing on the front seats, and limited units have sonic insulated front side windows for enhanced clarity. Hyundai's 2025 Tucson is a small SUV with a number of driver assistance systems, including as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and standard automated emergency braking. In addition, the car has a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain guarantee, a 5-year limited warranty, and free maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Additionally, Smart Cruise Control 2 and Forward Attention Warning are introduced in the 2025 model year. If the driver is incapacitated, the car will stop on its own and engage the electronic parking brake, warning other cars of possible hazards. The plug-in hybrid and hybrid Tucson versions for 2025 will go on sale in late summer. The range starts at $27,500, $32,575, and $38,725 for the Tucson, Tucson Hybrid, and Tucson PHEV, respectively. The compact crossover is Hyundai's bread-and-butter model in the USA, and the new Santa Fe received a significant price increase over the outgoing model. A 1.6-liter four-cylinder gas engine and an electric motor work together to produce 231 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque in the Tucson, a hybrid vehicle. An automated 6-speed transmission and all-wheel drive are included in the transmission of power. Complementing its electric interior is the Tucson's smooth handling, soft ride, and firm steering. Superb features abound in this car: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay and USB-C data and charging ports, power driver's seat, outside mirrors, fingerprint authentication sensor, proximity key entry, push-button start, digital key, 2 premium, Hyundai BlueLink Plus services, Hyundai Pay, Wi-Fi hotspot, forward attention warning, and Smart Cruise Control 2. The classic gas-only form of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson will be delivered first, followed later this summer by a hybrid and plug-in hybrid model. As previously reported, the company will offer 3 different versions of the vehicle. A 2.5-liter SmartStream engine with a maximum output of 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque powers the standard model. Instead, the hybrid powertrains of hybrid versions are propelled by 6L turbocharged engines. A total of 231 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque are produced by the hybrid system. This engine is replaced in plug-in hybrid vehicles with a higher output variant and a stronger electric motor, increasing output to 268 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. The Tucson Hybrid is expected to get 38 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway, according to EPA projections. In the EPA's test, the plug-in hybrid vehicle achieved an overall rating of 80 mpg and 33 miles for electric-only driving. The gas-only Tucson has ratings for 25-32 in front-wheel drive, 29 mpg on the highway, and 23 mpg in the city. In terms of EPA estimated fuel efficiency, the hybrids triumph handily. On our highway fuel economy route, however, the hybrid model only managed to achieve 28 mpg, which is a full 10 mpg less than the EPA's anticipated 38 mpg. The plug-in hybrid hasn't yet been put to the test on our route. Go to the EPA's website to learn more about the fuel efficiency of the Tucson Hybrid.